Got this little fountain. Pretty flowers, whatnot. It's just not like, it's not dark yet, it's just getting close to sunset. But it's still like daylight. I was shocked. I didn't know LA had nowhere like this. All the places I've seen was like destitute and desperate, you know. Pleasant surprise. Let's say the Grove. Oh no, see that. But it look like people hang out, you know, it's like they hang out all the time, so that's new to me. Yeah. Healthy community building. Mac store, yeah. The Big Apple. What is that train? I guess the train, you know, the train might have stopped running, I don't know. I'll start this over again.